Hi all, good afternoon. I'm audible. Hello, guys. Anyone can please confirm?
Yes, sir. You are
Okay,
audible.
thank you. Yeah, hi all. Rahul this side. Okay, so today I will take care of this demo. Okay, so today we will discuss about like what we are going to provide you in the RF Tech Solutions. Okay, is how we will approach our trainings and what all modules we have. Okay, so after that, like I will showcase like what strategies we have in our training sessions. Okay, so all these things we will discuss. After that, I will show some tools, okay, industry tools, what we are using in our trainings. Then I will touch upon what is kind of day-to-day life in that protocol testing engineer. Okay, so let me first introduce myself. Okay, so Rahul here, and like I'm having 16 plus year of experience in that testing domain. Okay, wireless research domain. Okay, so in RF Tech Solution, basically we are providing individual trainings, group trainings, okay, corporate trainings, and that uh, we have some working projects, okay, where we are providing support in that log analysis, field testing. Okay, so these projects we have here in India as well as outside of India. Okay, so that is all about RF Tech Solutions, what we are providing. Okay, in which domain we are working. Okay, now let me share my screen. So guys, at any point of time, anything you have, any query, any concern, any issue, okay, so please let me know. We will be more than happy to address your queries. Okay, so let's get started. So that is fine, right? Anyone, any other question, anything, any query in your mind, guys? Anyone? Okay, so today's demo is for guys 4G, 5G, and ORAN. Okay, so we will discuss upon that what all things we will cover. Okay, how we will cover. So let's jump to the main agenda. So guys, these are we have categorized in for 5 areas. Okay, so to highlight what exactly we are providing, okay, what exactly we want to highlight, or how exactly we will approach our training sessions. Okay, so these are 5 area, 5 pillars of RF Tech solution. Okay, so first one is like theory concept. Okay, first one is theory concept. So guys, whatever like we are learning in that 4G, 5G. Okay, first we have to understand the concepts. Okay, concepts means that call flows, that information elements. Okay, whatever it is carrying. Okay, whatever like call flow we have from UE to E node B, E node B to UE, and whatever information elements it is carrying. Okay, so those all things we have to understand. Okay, but that is not enough. Okay, that call flow and information element, that is not enough. We also have to understand what and what exactly type of testing, okay, what exactly our goal in our day-to-day life in that as a protocol testing engineer. Okay, so we also have to understand that test case designing, okay, what type of setup we use. Okay, so those all things we have to understand. Okay, so let me write down like few things so that like you will have more understanding. Okay, so suppose once we power on our UE. Okay, once we power on our UE. Okay, or maybe like let me write down few word, power on, or we can say that aeroplane mode. Okay, aeroplane mode. Okay, so what is the procedure? Okay, what is the procedure, what is the flow my UE take between UE to E node B and back E node B or G node B to the UE? Okay, what are the message sequences we have? Okay, what are the information we have, what type of parameters we have, okay, in those messages? Okay, so let's, for an example, we are discussing this flow. Okay, power on or attached flow, registration flow. Okay, means that all are same only. Okay, so in this particular topic, what is our expectation? Okay, in this particular topic, what is our expectation? First expectation is flow, call flow. Okay, first expectation is call flow. We all should be aware of what is call flow. Call flow is something, means what is message sequence we have from UE means my user equipment, okay, to my E node B. Okay, in case of LT, it is E node B. In case of 5G, it is G node B, right? So first we have to understand, okay, what all messages we have, okay, what all signaling part we have, what all parameters we have, okay. So those parameters we call IE, okay. What is IE? Information element, okay, information elements. So IE is means information element, okay. So what all information element we have in those messages, okay. So this thing we have to understand, okay, because sometime it happens that message is there, okay, that message is there. I will showcase it, okay, don't worry. Message is there, the flow is fine, okay, but still we have some issue. Still we are not getting the expected value, we are not getting the expected, sorry, parameter in that message, okay. So that can cause some issue, okay. So I will give one example in that tool, okay, so don't worry. Third one is we have to understand the test cases, okay. We have to understand the test cases, what type of test case we can design, right? Is that flow is not enough, we are aware of that call flow, okay, we can learn this, okay. But once you join any company, okay, once you join any company tomorrow, okay, so first thing is they can assign you one feature, they can assign you one task, like maybe like Rahul, you can work on this task, okay. So after that task, what I have to design, I have to design the test case, okay. I have to design the test case, I have to understand the parameters, okay. I have to understand that call flow, okay. So this one also we should know. After that, like test setup, okay. So to execute any scenario, to execute any test any scenario, okay, we also need some basic understanding. That might be possible, that right means the in suppose any company, suppose in Samsung we are using some setup, okay, and in another company you are using some different setup, that is possible, right? But if you guys are aware of the basic information, okay, basic information means that DUT, the reference device, that simulator, okay, and that maybe like combiner, splitter, what all these things, okay, what all these things, okay, and how we are using those equipment in the lab, okay, what type of the possible arrangement, the connections you may face in the lab, okay. So what it will give you, it will give you the basic understanding, okay. So tomorrow whenever you will join any company, whenever you will join any project, okay, so at that time the basic structure will be clear in your mind, okay. So that is the pending part, will be the comparison, okay. What is the comparison part? That suppose I can ask you the question, means I can ask that mentor or the new company, like how you are doing this one, okay. Suppose for an example, let me give you one example, okay, okay, I will give you, okay. Then sixth one is tool part, or maybe like a better word is execution, okay. Execution or log analysis, okay. Here what we need tool, okay. Again the same story, okay. So whenever you are aware with that one tool, okay, whenever you are aware with 1 2 3 tool, okay, the good understanding, okay, not only the overview, the good understanding, okay. So what it will provide you, again, that is possible that some of the companies may use the some proprietary tool or some internal tool or some uh, another tool, maybe like something can come into the picture tomorrow that is new for you, okay. Again, what you have to do, you have to compare that new part with the existing knowledge, getting my point, okay. So suppose whatever knowledge you have, okay, whatever information you have, for an example, how to capture the log, okay, how to capture the log, okay. If you are aware of that, how to capture log in QXDM, QXDM is one of the tool, okay. Suppose tomorrow you will join any company, so what you can ask XYZ person or whatever, like initial days they will provide some mentor, okay. So you can ask the exact question, how to do this particular task in your tool, how to do this particular uh, XYZ operation in your tool, okay. So at that time you are not blank, okay. At that time you are not blank, right? So these are some of the things, these are some of the pattern. Okay, so whatever topic, whatever thing I will discuss, okay, whatever topic we will discuss, okay, we will take care of these few points in any topic. Okay, whether it be like your handover, CSFB, carrier aggregation, okay, is 5G, SA and SA call for anything, okay, anything, everything. Okay, so we will take this approach. Okay, we will take this approach. This is kind of a blueprint. Okay, this is kind of a blueprint, this is kind of a steps, okay, which we will follow in every topic. Okay, whatever topic we will cover. Okay, apart from that, apart from the regular things, okay, so it is our responsibility to be updated. Okay, it is our responsibility. Okay, so whatever we are covering, whatever we are understanding, okay, so what my point is here, okay, most of you are leave it if you are not aware, okay, can cover this flow or aware of this flow from maybe like internet, from the QXDM, or that YouTube videos, or from any other sessions. Okay, to be frank, this part is available everywhere. Okay, the new thing is how to test case, setup, execution, okay, and practical related, right? Now, another thing is whatever we are covering, apart from the basic knowledge, okay, apart from the basic knowledge, there is one thing which is competitive, right? Means in the market, suppose maybe 5 or 10 people appearing for any interview, okay, so there we have possibility like everyone will be aware at the time of interview from this basic part. Okay, so in our strategy, where we can provide some advantage to a company, some the latest technology, okay, some latest things, okay, which is kind of, we can say, beamforming. Okay, massive MIMO. Okay, MIMO you guys are aware. Then we have massive MIMO. Okay, M MIMO we call. Okay, in that massive MIMO, in case of 5G, we have few more thing. Okay, SU MIMO, MU MIMO. Okay, so these are few topic. Okay, I just don't want to write everything here. Okay, and then some more related part. Okay, so these are some topics, these are some area, okay, which will give you, which will give you the advantage in your interview. Okay, which will give you advantage in your interview. For an example, let me share my experience with you guys. Okay, sometime it happens. Okay, sometime it happens, suppose I have taken 4 interview. Okay, for one opening I have taken the 4 or 5 interview. Okay, so definitely the basic part, okay, the basic topics, maybe that initial, the features, or that basic part, that is most of guys are aware. Okay, because they prepare these basic part, right, before appearing in the interview. Okay, but suppose if I can conclude that all are good in the basics. Okay, now how I will define that, how I will decide that I have to take one, right? So there is confusion, there is competition, right? So what I will check, whoever is aware with the latest one, right? Whoever is aware with the latest one, it happens, right? It happens. So whoever is aware, it might be sometime it's possible that in my project I am nothing to do with beamforming, right? That is possible, right? I'm still working on LT. Okay, still working on LT. I need a guy who is aware of LT, but still, you all four are aware with that 4G part. Okay, so how I will decide? I will decide based on that who is up to date, who is able to understand the latest topic. Why? Why I'm doing so? Okay, why I'm selecting this one? Here I have one more reasoning. Okay, what reasoning I have? Suppose if I will hire anyone who is aware of the basics, okay, who is aware of basics but not able to understand the latest topic or latest trends, whatever going on in our technology, okay, or in our domain. Okay, so suppose that is possible that tomorrow I have to switch this guy into some other project, maybe some 5G project, maybe some other latest one, latest technology, maybe like I need a guy who can test the massive MIMO. Okay, so at that time this will take time. The guy A who is aware of the basics, this will take time. Okay, and the guy B, the person B who is aware of the latest trends, Okay, might be possible that still he need some time to brush up the knowledge, okay, brush up the concept, okay, but still something he has or she has in their mind, so they can pick up very quickly to give a start to my project. Make sense, guys? Anyone, any other point, any query? Okay, so in that way it is our responsibility, okay, so we should be able to grab, we should be able to understand what is the new things in market, okay, what is kind of new things going on in the market, what is the new thing, okay, new technology in the market, okay. So how many of you are guys aware of beamforming? Anyone here? Anyone guys here who is aware of beamforming? Okay, and how many of you are aware of the LT attach? Anyone guys? Any idea what is LT attach means? That RRC connection request or that RACH request or something like that, those procedures? Anyone? Any idea?
Yeah, a bit. Know about attach.
Same thing, right? Same thing. So that attach is kind of, or those procedures are kind of a kind of common things. Okay, we should be means that is kind of most important part which the interview will expect from you guys, right? Means that is something by default everyone is expecting from you. Okay, that is kind of mandatory part. That is kind of mandatory part. Okay, apart from that, if you guys are aware of the new trends, new technology, okay, that will add a plus point in your profile, okay, in your CV, okay, so that whenever you appear in an interview, okay, whenever you will give an interview, okay, definitely you will have advantage as compared to any other candidate. Okay, clear guys? Anyone, any doubt? Anyone, anything? Okay, so so this is kind of a point, okay, what exactly we will try to do, what exactly we will try to approach, okay. So everything, each and every topics, I hope you would all have that syllabus part, okay, so there you can refer. Maybe like I will touch upon that that part as well, okay. So these things guys, this is kind of a steps or that approach what we will discuss in our theory classes, okay, what we will try to understand, what we will try to explain you guys, okay, in the theory concept, okay. Apart from that, all the topics, all the sessions will be recorded, okay. Recording will be available for you guys, okay. And the document, that whether it is kind of PPT or books, okay, everything, okay, everything will be available for you guys, okay. We will provide you these books, these PDFs, okay, these PPTs, okay, for your study, okay, for your study, okay. So that is what we are going to provide you, okay, what we are going to uh, tell you or explain you, okay, what we will cover, okay. This is all about the theory part, okay. Next one we have tool experience, okay. Next one we have tool experience, okay. So again, what we will cover in the tool part, okay, what we will cover in the tool part. So tool part is something, suppose again the example, here we have LT power on, okay, here we are covering LT power on, okay. So in that LT power on, whatever first we will cover, that is theory part, okay. But at the same session, in the same class, okay, what I will do, I will try to cover this each and every message, each and every topic, okay. I will try to show you in the tool, okay. What all tools we have will tell you, okay. So these all things, most of those tools are proprietary tool, okay. Most of those tools are proprietary tool. As I mentioned guys, we are working in this domain, okay. We have some working projects, okay. We guys are working in this field, okay. So that's why all the tools, whatever tools we have in the industry, Okay, all these tools are license based tool, proprietary tool. Okay, so we have enough license, okay, which we can use, which these tools we can use in our sessions. Okay, so whatever we are covering again in the theory part, okay, theory part, same thing we will try to understand with the help of tool. Okay, same thing we will try to understand with the help of tool. Okay, so sometime it happens, guys, we have seen that guys have some misunderstanding, right? Like they think like after 3 or 4 month of course, if I can tell you how to use the tool, how to load the build in 1 or 2 session, that is enough. Okay, or maybe 2 3 session, that is enough. Okay, that is not enough, guys. Okay, that is not enough. Tool is something, okay, where you need to have the very good understanding. Okay, where you need a very depth understanding of the tool. Okay, because tool is something which you have to use the day-to-day basis. Okay, the tool you will need the day-to-day basis. Okay, so what we will do, whatever topic we are covering, suppose today we were covering power on. Okay, so this power on we will try to cover today only. Okay, it's not like that I will show you this power on after 1 month. Okay, so whatever to topic we are discussing today, okay, whatever parameters we are discussing today, I just want to show you, I just want to kind of uh, how that you can analyze that topic, the how you can analyze those issues or kind of that logs. Okay, today only I will show you. Okay, so in that way, theory, whatever we are covering in the theory sessions, as well as practical, you both understanding you will get in the same session. Okay, at the same time. Okay, so this is guys complete package. Okay, two scenario you have. First one is if just suppose after suppose today in first class I am covering some topic. Okay, and after 4 months I will show that topic or maybe like quickly one in 1 or 2 session. Okay, second scenario is suppose today I am covering in the first session whatever topic, and the same time I will show this in the tool. Okay, at the same time. Okay, you don't have to wait for next 3 4 months. Why? Because guys, we don't have any shortage, we don't have any that kind of crunch with the respect to the tool availability. Okay, so whatever tools we have, whatever uh, uh, material we have, okay, we always will try to share you at the same time. Okay, so at the same time you will have understanding of the complete flow, the complete tools, okay, complete practical part. Okay, so this will enhance your knowledge and your whatever like base understanding you have with respect to any given topic. Okay, clear guys? Just for an example, guys, let me ask you one question, guys. You guys are aware of that PLMN? Anyone who is not aware about that PLMN, MCC plus MNC? Anyone guys who is not aware what is PLMN? Anyone? Prashant, Vanna, Aliyu, Khurshid, Rakesh. You guys are aware, guys? What is PLMN? Okay, no issues. Okay, so I'm considering the PLMN is very basic thing. So you guys are aware. Okay, so the point is, let's understand in that way. Suppose today I am discussing what is PLMN. Okay, what is the kind of what type of PLMN we have. Okay, so suppose same time if we can see. Okay, if the same time we can see the PLMN in the log. Okay, if the same time we can see what is PLMN. Okay, and in which message we are getting that PLMN. Okay, so in that way the complete understanding, PLMN is nothing but to identify a operator, that is kind of a unique identification of a operator. Okay, that MNC mobile network code and mobile country code. Okay, so that thing I can show you in the log, that thing I can show you in the message. Okay, so here you can see, okay, this is one tool, ELT tool. Okay, so here we can discuss whatever call flow, okay, whatever message. Let's suppose this is RRC connection request. Okay, so in that RRC connection request, whatever messages we have, okay, whatever messages we have, whatever kind of parameter we have. For an example, UE identity, for an example, establishment cause, okay, what all possible values we have of that establishment cause, okay, something like that, okay. Each and everything, guys, we will try to discuss what is the significance of all these messages, system information, RACH, RRC, NAS, okay. Okay, here what you can see, the direction, protocol, message name, okay, everything, what information element it is carrying, okay, what information element it is carrying, okay, each and everything, guys, we can see in this tool, okay. So in that way, whatever we are covering, okay, any topic, guys, again, any topic, whether it be like CSFB, handover, or any protocol related part, the parameter, the timers, the constant, okay, everything, whatever we are covering, at the same time I will try to show you in the tool, okay, in the these logs, okay, they are real time logs, okay. So these are, guys, field logs only, we just got these logs from our field testers, okay. So whatever scenarios we have, whatever issues we have, we will try to share it with you guys, okay, so that you will have the understanding, okay, you will have the understanding of theory as well as practical part, okay. So this will give you the complete package of the information, any technology, okay. Clear, guys? Anyone any doubt in this two module, in this two area? Anyone any doubt, any query? Okay, so next thing we have, okay, you can see one more, one more area we have, okay, one more thing we have here, that tool experience, okay, hands-on tool experience, okay. What does that mean, hands-on tool experience, okay? So here, guys, we have two things, real-time tool experience and hands-on tool experience, okay. So, guys, suppose I am using that tool, okay, I am using the tool throughout our training session, okay, throughout our training session, like uh, 4 month, around 4 month I will use that tool, okay. But still you guys don't have any exposure of using that tool, right? That is something I am using the tool in the class, I am showing the tool in, okay, but you guys don't have any exposure, you guys don't have any idea or any kind of opportunity of using that tool, right? So sometime it happens whenever you join any company or whenever you appear in any interview, okay, there you guys feel maybe like kind of lack of confidence because you don't have any idea how to use this and that, okay, because something like that, whenever you have your own experience, okay, at that time, that whatever confidence level you have, that is very very different from if I am showing that tool, okay. So to fulfill that issue, to fulfill that area, what we are providing here, okay, and that is kind of, I can say proudly, that is something we are only the one who is providing this facility in our training, okay. So this is something I can provide you the access, please, guys, listen carefully, okay. I can provide you the access of any tool, whatever tool we are using in our uh, day-to-day session, okay. Remotely I can provide you this tool, okay. So you can spend around 12 hours, 10 to 12 hours, okay, for your practice, okay, for your practice, okay. That is kind of, you can spend one to one, okay, or you can spend like in group, okay. It depends situations, based on you only, whatever kind of your preference, okay. So we can provide you the access, okay. So in that way, whatever we have covered in this two module, okay, whatever we have covered in this two module, you can spend, you can practice your own, you can spend some time your own, okay, to do whatever we have done in these two modules, okay. So this is, guys, again, apart from the regular training session, okay, apart from the regular training session, you can spend individually, suppose we have 25 to 30 student in our batch, okay. So every student individually can take access of this tool, okay, access of this tool, and they can spend the time with the tool to clear the tool uses, okay, how to analyze the logs, okay, each and everything, okay. So in that way, whatever experience you are showing, okay, whatever experience you are showing in that your CV or your profile. Okay, so this will give you more and more confidence. Okay, you will be more confident in your interview. Okay, why? Because now you have exposure of that tool. Why? Because now you have exposure of that tool. Okay, how to use the tool. Okay, how to do the filtering. Okay, just for an example, this is the tool. Okay, this is a tool I am showing you. Okay, so we have like, suppose throughput. Okay, suppose throughput, we have how to analyze this throughput, what is blur, what is a modulation. Okay, how to analyze this graphs. Okay, and all. Okay, first I will show you. Okay, after that you can spend some time to analyze this every window, everything, every message. Okay, every this message. Okay, so in that way you guys will have more understanding of this tool, of this technology, of this call flow, of this parameter. Okay, clear guys? So here what you have to do only, okay, out of those whatever like kind of 10 to 12 hour we are providing you. Okay, you just have to inform our admin team. Okay, you just have to involve our admin team. You have to just raise request. Okay, you just have to raise request like, I need the tool access from this to this time. That's it. Okay, that's it. So that you have to raise. Okay, just a request. Okay, to our admin team, so that given slot based on the availability, our admin team can provide you the access of that tool. Clear guys? Anyone, any query? Okay, so these three things completely will give you, okay, end to end exposure of any technology. Okay, end to end exposure of any technology. Okay, after that what we have, after these thing guys, we have placement activities. Okay, what we are doing in the placement activity, how we are supporting you in the placement activities. First thing, we have to update our CV, Naukri profile. Okay, LinkedIn. Okay, all these things we have to update. Okay, we have to modify according to job. Okay, according to our profile. Okay, next thing is like, suppose we have 4 months of course. Okay, so after every month, okay, after every month guys, we will take a demo interview. Okay, demo interview. In this demo interview, okay, whatever we have covered in that 1 month, okay, we will try to check whether you are guys are kind of what type of question. Okay, what just we want to share it with you, what type of question you may face. Okay, in the real interview. Okay, what type of things or what type of scenario you may face in the real interviews. Okay, how to answer those questions. Okay, something like that. Okay, those exercises we will do. Okay, those exercises we will do in the demo interview. Okay, so we will encourage you guys. Okay, so participate in the demo interview. Okay, so after that, once you will complete any technology, we will start working on the this part. Okay, CV preparation, Naukri profile preparation and all. Okay, so once you complete your course or about to complete your course. Okay, and you are kind of done with the demo interview, at that time we can share your profile with the industry. Okay, we can share your profile with the industry based on our reference. Okay, based on our reference we can share your profile in different companies. We have somewhere we have tie up, somewhere we have kind of our past students are working somewhere, like we also have some of our colleagues. Okay, and we are also working professionals. Okay, we are also working in some companies. Okay, so there guys we can provide you the referral. Okay, there we can provide you the referral. Okay, so in that way, as soon as possible you will get opportunity of interview from the reputed companies. Okay, so once we are prepared, then we can grab those opportunities. Okay, so that is what we are going to provide you in the placement. Okay, next we have support. Okay, so support is something, suppose we have weekend classes on Saturday and Sunday. Okay, we have weekend classes on Saturday and Sunday. Okay, and in between, suppose in the weekdays you have some doubt. For an example, same way, if in the weekdays or at any apart from the classes you have doubt. Okay, so you don't have to wait next class. Okay, for the your doubt. Okay, what you can do, whether it is kind of theoretical doubt or whether it is related to some topic or any tool related query. Okay, those all things, either me, which is kind of your first POC, okay, first contact person, okay, otherwise any other trainer will be available to address your query, okay, to support you basically. So we have guys our uh, application, okay, where you can approach directly to us, okay, and apart from that we have like WhatsApp group, or maybe like I will share my direct number to you guys, okay, so that directly you can reach out to me, okay, or reach out to any other trainer, okay, for your queries. Okay, so these all things guys we will provide you, these all things we will guys we will provide you in our training session. Again, this is not only in 4G 5G trainings, okay, this is whatever trainings modules we have, whether it be IMS, whether it be any other Salesforce or RF or any other things, okay, these all things we always try to provide you, okay, to enhance your experience, to enhance your learning. Clear guys? Guys, anyone any doubt, any query in these modules, in this area? Anyone? Okay, guys, feel free to ask any if you have any query, anything. Okay, so these are list of tool, okay, these are list of tool which we will use, okay, which we will use, which we are going to provide you. Okay, so sorry guys, uh, first one is Qualcomm, okay, first one is Qualcomm, QXDM and QCAT, okay, these tools, these are kind of guys all are industry based tool, okay, leading tools, okay, license based tool, proprietary tool, okay, these guys we will provide you, okay, we will use. Next one is MediaTek based tool, ELT, okay, then Losel tool we have, then Wireshark, okay, these all tools guys we will use, these all tool we will use in our day-to-day training session, okay. So one of the tool I just shown you, okay, that ELT, that is MediaTek based tool, okay. So we have some minor differences, like whatever how we are using this one, okay, content wise, whatever content we have in this tool, in this kind of message, okay, that will remain same, okay, that will remain same, but that is something designed by 3GPP, okay, that is something designed by 3GPP, okay. But apart from that, like how to filter out the messages, okay, how to load the logs, okay, what is the log format, what is the latest versions we are using, okay, any change from the version to version, okay, so all those things we will discuss, okay, with respect to each of these tools, okay, with respect to each of these tools, okay. So we will understand that responsibility of these sorry kind of importance of all these parameter, okay, what is the call flow, what my mobile is sending to the network, okay, my network is sending to my UE, okay, all these messages, all these information we will understand from call flow, okay, call flow to call flow or whatever, like suppose today we are discussing suppose power on, okay, so we will understand each and every message of power on, okay, whatever information it is carrying, okay, so all those things we will try to understand, okay. So these things will give you more better experience, okay, this thing will give you more under experience, better understanding, okay. So like that, okay, so you will understand each and every topic in the better way, okay, each and every message, each and every functionality in the better way, okay. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt, anyone anything, any query? Okay, so okay, so let me show you one more tool, okay. Deepak, can you please share Loja? Okay, let me take guys remote access of other tools. Okay, just a second. Okay, this is logel. Okay, this is live logging basically. Okay, this is live logging. So whatever we have connected one device with this setup. Okay, we have connected one device with this setup. Okay, so whatever you are seeing is live logging. Okay, so in that way we will provide you the understanding of that, how to capture the logs. Okay, how to take that, execute any scenario and all. Okay, so these all things we will discuss. This is one other tool. Okay, so these all tools guys, like ELT, like that is fine. I shown them, like just in case, like Wireshark is open, just in case. Otherwise no issues. Okay, means that Wireshark and all those tools also. uh, Okay, so this is Wireshark. Okay, so same way, whatever messages we have, upper side, okay, downside, you can see the lower part, you can see the information what this message is carrying. Okay, so how to filter out, how to, means we can do the fast processing, how to extract the log, or how to cut down the log. Okay, PCAP, this is basically PCAP files. Okay, the captures. So these all things we will understand. These all things we will understand from practical point of view. Okay, so, okay, I'm sharing my screen again, Deepak. Thank you. Thank you very much. So, guys, before we jump to the next discussion and next topic, anyone, any query, any doubt, anyone, guys? Arvind, Vandana, Aliyu, Rakesh, Muhammad, MIT, Nissan, anyone? Vijay, Kurshid, Alok, anyone, guys? Any query, anything? Okay, so, okay, so next thing
Sorry,
is,
sorry,
yeah,
sorry. What is the tech care? The function of the tech care? Can you tell summary the function of the tech care here?
the I'm not getting functions of what?
The tech case.
Test case.
Yeah, you
Okay,
saw that
maybe,
we do tech care.
yeah. So that is something like out of today's discussion. Okay, maybe like uh, you can directly join Miss again. Reach out to us. Okay, Miss separately. I think you are already
Okay,
in touch with us. Okay, so
okay,
separately
okay.
we can discuss, right? Means that is something out of today's scope of today's discussion. Okay, okay. So then we have, okay, that is our one of the ORN lab. Okay, ORN lab where we have simulators and this one. Okay, so that is kind of hard to show you the live things. Okay, but still whatever we have, I will try to show you thoroughly as well. Okay, so that you will have the understanding of that, what exactly we are trying to achieve in the ORN. Okay, how we are testing. Okay, how we are doing the testing in the ORN. Okay, so this is kind of the basic understanding we will try to provide you guys. Okay, these are some top player. Okay, some of the companies which are working in this domain. Okay, which are working in this domain, like some of the service based companies, we have TCS or this HCL, Mindtree. Okay, TCS. Okay, these are some of the Sustain. Okay, these are some of the service Yeah, guys, I'm audible. Some network issue. My voice
Yes.
clear, guys? Okay. Sorry, guys.
Yes.
Power cut actually. My network dropped. So, okay, again, share my screen. Okay, so we were discussing some of the uh, players we have in the domain. Okay, the companies we have in the domain. Okay, so these are some of the companies. Okay, which we are working. Some of those are operator. Okay, you might be aware of some of the companies. Might be you are working in the some of the companies. Okay, so all of these companies are in this domain. All of these companies are in protocol testing domain. Okay, wireless research domain. Okay, so here we have some product based companies like I was discussing that Nokia we have, okay, then kind of Altestar we have, okay. So some of the product based company we have, then service based company we have, okay. Some companies are working in cloud side, okay, where they are providing the cloud services to our ORAN basically specifically, okay. So here also we have the protocol testing domain vacancies, okay. Some operators we have, some chipset vendors we have, for an example MediaTek and Qualcomm, okay, those are also working in this domain, those are also working in this area, okay. So these are some of the companies, okay, some, not all the companies, these are some of the companies which are working, actively hiring, okay, actively hiring in this domain, okay. So you can maybe like explore the LinkedIn or Naukri.com, okay, so like to get the better understanding, okay. So this is something about that hiring part. Now let me quickly share that uh, syllabus. Okay, might be that you already have this PDF. Okay, the syllabus PDF. Okay, but let me quickly cover. So first thing is whatever guys we are covering. Okay, whatever we are covering, whatever we will cover in that training part. Okay, so all these topics will be from the basics. Okay, all the topics from basics. Okay, means that's for an example I'm starting LT. Okay, I'm starting LT. Okay, so from that LT, okay, what I will try to cover, I will try to cover from the basic, like what is architecture. Okay, so possible that some of you are already aware of that. Okay, some of you are already aware of what is architecture, what is basic frame structure. Okay, so but sometime it happens some of you guys are new, okay, in the domain. Okay, some of the you are fresher, okay. So in that case, if we cover everything from the basic, okay, everything from the basic, so in that way we will keep all of you are on the same page, okay, all of you are on the same page, okay. So here you can see the LT bands, TDD, FDD, okay. So like architecture, okay, 3GPP specification, testing setup and all those things, okay. Like bandwidth, modulation scheme, what is CP, cyclic prefix basically, okay. So all those things we will discuss in detail, okay, each and everything, so that you will have the basic understanding of these parameters, okay. You will have the basic understanding of these parameters, okay. Sometimes guys it happens that for now you are not using those parameter, you are not kind of related or kind of concerned about those parameter, okay. But all those basic parameter is very very important whenever we are learning a new technology, okay, because we have major kind of changes, okay. For an example, subcarrier spacing. So guys, anyone can tell me what is subcarrier spacing in that LT and what is subcarrier spacing if you guys are aware? Anyone, any idea what is subcarrier spacing? Any idea, anyone? Okay, no issues, means if you anyone is aware or not aware, okay. But guys, we should be aware of these things, okay. Sometime it happens again, sometime like we are not using that, that is not that parameter we are using in day-to-day life, okay. At the time of LT, okay, we were not using that parameter, okay. Once we jump to 5G, then this subcarrier spacing is very 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 important parameter, okay, because now we have numerology concept, we have scalable subcarrier spacing, okay. So in that way, in short, what I just want to tell you, okay, these are some of the some basic parameters related to any technology. Okay, these are something related to your communication. Okay, so we should be aware of those parameters. Okay, so suppose tomorrow we will jump to 6G part. Okay, tomorrow we will jump to the 6G part. At that time we will be able to relate what exactly changes we have in the technology. Okay, whatever latest changes we have in the 6G part. Okay, so in the same way, if you are aware of that 4G and 5G, then only we can grab the concept of 6G. Otherwise, guys, this will be very struggling part for us if we are not aware of the basics. Okay, so same way, whatever again, back to that the syllabus part. Okay, so whatever we are covering, whatever we are understanding, okay, we will try to understand from the basics. Okay, we will try to understand from the initial part. Okay, after that basics part, we will start that LT power on. Okay, initial synchronization, initial power on. Okay, so how we will attach with the network. Okay, how we will do the initial synchronization with the network. Okay, those things we will try to understand in that area, in that part. We will try to understand that what is PSS, what is SSS, what is system information, MIB, SIB. Okay, what is RACH. Okay, RACH is very important parameter. Sorry, procedure. Okay, so those things we will guys try to understand. Then we have that RRC setup, attach. Okay, authentication, security. Okay, attach complete the authentication part, the security part, the RRC part. Okay, the handover. Okay, in handover we have measurement. Two type of handover we have, X2, S1. Okay, what is measurement gap? Okay, so all those things we will try to understand what exactly we are trying to do here, what exactly we are trying to achieve here. Okay, then that call flow wise, the CSFB call flow. Okay, then we have layer wise procedure. Okay, what is MAC layer procedure, what is RLC procedure, what is kind of PDCP procedure. Okay, so in that MAC layer we have that DRB, in MAC layer we have SR. Okay, so all those things we have to have the understanding of these procedures. Okay, because sometimes it happens that we guys are working on the any particular task, any particular topic. Okay, but whenever we are giving any interview, whenever we are appearing in an interview, okay, at that time we have to showcase that we have understanding of full stack. Okay, what is full stack means? From L1, L2, L3, all the protocols. Okay, basically all the protocol, we have understanding of all the protocols. Okay, so in that way, this all the things, all the protocols, all the kind of parameters, okay, we should be aware of. Okay, so this protocol, all this protocol and functionality of each and every layer, okay, we have to understand. Then we have the throughput related part. Okay, what is kind of carrier aggregation type. Okay, the call flow of carrier aggregation. Okay, how we are configuring the that one carriers, how we are activating the carriers. Okay, so once we complete the LT part, then we jump to the 5G part. Okay, again same way of LT, we will try to cover 5G from the basics. Okay, from 5G from the basics, like what is 5G. Okay, what is kind of functionality, what is the new things we have. Okay, so here whenever we will learn, whenever we start the 5G, there we will try to understand, there we will try to compare with 4G part. Okay, what is what things we have new implementation, new things in the 5G as compared to 4G. Okay, so in that way we will try to understand, in that way we will try to compare the things. Okay, so again the frame structure. Okay, then we have the new protocol here, SDEP protocol. Okay, so each and every, every protocol again we will try to understand. Okay, then we have SSB. Okay, SSB procedures. Okay, where NSA and SA procedure. Okay, each and every, I think that quickly I just fast forward one page. Okay, here like NSA and SA procedure and call flow and log analysis, each and everything we will try to understand. Okay, then finally we will jump to the ORAN part. Okay, ORAN, again we will understand that what is ORAN. Okay, what is required ORAN. Okay, what is kind of useful things we are trying to achieve from the ORAN. Okay, then here we have architecture of ORAN. Okay, high level architecture of ORAN. Okay, the protocols, EC pre and CPRE protocol. Okay, all those things we will try to understand. Okay, Okay, then we have planes like C plane, U plane, M plane, and S plane. Okay, those are kind of backbone of ORAN. Okay, so we will try to understand this part. Okay, what exactly functionality, what is exactly type of test case we have, what exactly testing we have in the ORAN. Okay, so these things, these all things we will try to understand in the ORAN part. Okay, so that is guys syllabus part. Okay, that is syllabus point of view, what we will cover. So again, any doubt guys, anyone, anything, anyone, any query?
Rahul, Arvind this side.
Yeah, Arvind.
Yeah, Rahul, can you elaborate something here 4G, 5G, and ORAN? I
Mhm,
think RAN is a different domain, and 4G, 5G, IMS, packet core, and something is
mhm,
a different domain. So whole
mhm.
syllabus is for everyone.
No, nothing like that. Okay. So whatever we are covering, okay, whatever we are
Yeah.
focusing from protocol point of view. Okay, protocol point of view, like see, like in that way. Okay, like that is not a straightforward answer, but let me answer this one. Suppose this is our area, and I'm calling this complete area telecom. Okay, in the telecom, what we have protocols, we have deployments. Okay, we have
Yes.
kind of, we can say that hardware part, another we have RF part, okay, another we have planning part. Okay, so these all things we have in the protocol part. Okay, no, sorry, the telecom part. Okay, so what we are
Yes.
focusing on, like this is planning, we are focusing on this part. Okay, protocol part. So in that protocol part, okay, we have the protocol L3, L2, and L1 protocol. Okay, so this is kind of, we can say in short, that is something related to your research. Okay, that is something related to your research part. Okay, how we are using, how we are testing, how we are deploying these protocols. Okay, when I say E node B. Okay, when I
Yes.
say UE. Okay, when I say UE, when I say E node B, that is, you
Mhm.
guys are aware, might be like what E node B is doing, right? What is
Yes.
functionality of E-node B? You guys are aware, okay? But how this E-node B handling that functionality, that is with the help of protocol, okay?
Okay.
So
Okay.
those protocol we will try to understand, okay? In this course, in this area, as a protocol testing engineer, we are not concerned about how this E-node B we deploy in the field. We are not concerned about, right? But about
Okay. Okay.
before
Okay.
deploying
Okay. I got your point.
one, we have CA, CA, okay? So might be one person is testing how the CA is working. Okay, might be the
Okay.
another one is just ensuring that CA is kind of successfully included in that real and network environment or not. Okay,
Yes.
so we are the one who is kind of enabling these features. Okay, who is enabling these features, who is enabling these functionalities. Okay, we are testing these functionalities.
Okay. Okay. Got
Okay,
it.
so this is kind of like many more thing, maybe like I can explain, but like just in case, like if you need any more clarification, then you can reach out to me. Okay, feel free to reach out to us. Okay, might be we
Okay. Okay.
can discuss separately. Okay, no
Okay.
issues, means that is kind of subjective answer. Okay,
Okay.
so
Okay. Got it.
in short,
Thank you.
I am telling. Okay, more thing, I think you added ORAN. Okay, same way that ORAN, we have multiple areas that we are calling that work groups. Okay, one term we have work group. Okay, so might be possible that someone working on how we are deploying that on cloud, right? Someone working on how this ORAN functionality interacts with the 5G or 4G, means that both support we have, ORAN we can deploy 5G and 4G both. Okay, might be someone working on a particular component which we are calling that RIC, controller part. Okay, so in short, not everyone working on all these functionalities. Okay, where we are focusing
Okay.
this part,
Got it. Yeah.
how we are using that 4G 5G functionality, and how we are validating that 4G 5G functionality with the ORAN. Okay, so this is kind of protocol we have. Okay, so with the help of this over front haul, okay, on the basis of this one, we are calling that is open RAN, that is kind of open environment. Okay, so these all things we will try to understand. Okay, make sense, Miss, at least basics, Arvind?
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, for the detailed answer, you can reach out to me directly. Okay, no issues.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, anyone else, guys? Any query? Anyone?
Hi, Rahul. One question.
Go ahead.
Actually, I have a question that which companies are hiring this protocol testing? Mainly, like you might be some product-based company like Qualcomm, MediaTek, or which are the players where after doing this course and having this knowledge end to end till over, and then which companies you are just referring your most of the students, and how the market is right now about this technology. So yeah, just want to know about the market because you are I know you are in this domain, so you might be knowing better, right?
Yes, exactly. Okay. So means first thing is these are the companies, okay, means some of the companies which are working in this project, okay, which are working in this area. Okay. So whatever companies, maybe like some of the IT companies you are aware of, like you can say the Accenture, you can say the TCS, you can say that L&T, Capgemini, okay, these all are companies, means all the big players are working in this domain. Okay, in that telecom part, the testing domain. Okay, because this is something which is kind of software part, means that IT part, means that IT is not the correct word, but still I'm using that IT part plus the telecom. Okay, so these use cases we have. So somewhere all these companies are working in this domain. Okay, second thing is, suppose
Yeah.
how the chain works. Okay, so let me answer this query in the day-to-day activities. Okay, so where I will try to answer your query. Okay, so suppose how our industry works. Okay, the typical flow. So one product-based company we have. Okay, something like that, like suppose UE side, Apple we have, Oppo, okay, many more, suppose Samsung or XYZ, any company we have. Okay, etc, these companies we have, which are, we have the UE side, same way network side what we have, that operators, okay, which is kind of end consumer, right? Operators like our, in India I can say that Airtel, Vodafone Idea, Reliance Jio. Okay, these are some customers we have, right? Geo, Airtel, or Vodafone Idea or etc. Okay, these are the main customers. Okay, main, that end users we can say. Right now, what next we will do? So they all need some vendors. Okay, the equipments which they can use in their projects. Okay, so UE side, the main chipset vendors are MediaTek, MediaTek, and Qualcomm. Okay, the leading companies. Okay, same way at that infra side. Okay, so Qualcomm also working infra side. Okay, might be you guys are aware. Okay, because like earlier, like after like 5-6 year back, we were seeing that Qualcomm was in the UE side only. Okay, but now Qualcomm investing very heavily in the infra side. Okay, because of ORAN, because of ORAN, the Qualcomm is trying to enter in the market. Okay, Mavenir. Okay, then Radisys, and I'm the traditional player like Nokia, the Ericsson, okay, the Samsung, the many more like Fujitsu, okay, uh,
But I
multi
have one
multi
question there.
multiple we have.
Sorry to
Hmm.
interrupt. I have one question. This
Sure, please go
testing is basically for the network, or basically the UE testing also. They are hiring basically for modem testing or UE testing
ahead. Yes,
side.
exactly.
So
Both
basically,
type.
where
The
the
modem testing is
market is
nothing but,
growing towards
okay, so in
that
that
type of.
both areas, right? See,
Okay.
so in the both directions, okay, it's not like that, like that market is something. So whatever like situation you are observing nowadays, that layoff and that slowness in the market, okay, that is something not only related to our industry. Okay, that is nothing to do with the telecom. Okay, that is nothing to do with the IT. That is like global crisis. Okay, that is like maybe like Chinese market and US market. Okay, so that is not only impacting the telecom market. Okay, it's not like that, like this field is not good, that's why we are saying that layoffs. Okay, so you have seen the layoffs in the Google as well. Okay, you have seen the layoff in the any other big IT industry as well. Okay, which are not even working in the telecom side. Okay, so in short, my point of view is that is because of that the whole market is impacted. Okay, every industry is impacted because of this kind of global crisis, we can say, for now. Okay, it is not
Yeah.
only impacting the telecom. Okay, because like it's not like that now we are not using any new technology or it is something like that. Okay, so just explore something more. Okay, let me point out you something interesting part. Okay, so if you are guys are aware with ORAN, okay, so just try to search maybe like in LinkedIn or something, US government backing these projects. Okay, like Mavenir, and basically you will see in the Qualcomm. Okay, US government providing the funding. Okay, the government is backing basically these projects. Okay, why? To deal with the dependency to enter in the market. Okay, you will see here like Qualcomm, Apple, maybe like these company having very good kind of uh, footprints in the UE side. Okay, but for now these companies miss we don't have any big player, big US player in the market in the infra side, right? So now
Yeah.
we have ORAN. Okay, what ORAN providing the flexibility, now we don't have any dependency from that proprietary side, like any software or hardware dependency. Okay, so not only these companies, even government is also interested in these projects. Okay, so they can have their companies good footprint in the respective markets. Okay, so we have seen like earlier, like a few months back I was discussing the same thing with my like ex-colleague from the Qualcomm. Okay, so what they are doing, suppose that dark truth of that layoffs. Okay, so suppose they have some 2G team or maybe 3G team. Okay, for an example. Okay, I'm giving one example to you. Okay, so and now they want to grow in the latest one, maybe like 5G or an. Okay, and they had to cut down their engineers or the head count. Okay, so what do you think, from where they will cut down? Okay,
Mm.
legacy one. Okay,
Legacy.
legacy one. Okay, right, suppose they have to cut down the suppose 15 people. Okay, so it's not like that they will not touch this one. Okay, it's not like that that layoff is something or that cut down is something which will impact might be like every project. Okay, but the maximum count is from the legacy things. Okay, the
Yeah.
legacy things means whoever is working from 2G. Okay, this one is now matured area. Matured means we don't have much new thing in this domain. Okay, and that is something where whatever the kind of uh, thing we can add on, whatever the kind of improvement we can do, whatever kind of uh, the investment we want to do. Okay, that is something here. Okay, we want to do. Okay, so
Okay.
might be whatever you are seeing, whatever. Now again the same thing, let's take another example. Now someone laid off like in any company. Okay, now you can relate that one from skill set. Okay, so whoever having the 2G skill set. Okay, after layoff, that is very hard for this guy to find out a job in this competitive market. Okay, getting my point? Okay, so it's
Yeah.
not like that, like this is like definitely I will say like market is impacting from this global crisis. Okay, but still we have multiple opening, multiple projects going on in the latest technology, latest things. Okay, just try to miss parallelly you can search on that US government part
Yeah.
like Qualcomm. I think Qualcomm page you can miss parallelly you can visit whatever I'm saying just to validate that point. Okay, might be like 2 or 3 months post they have. Okay, the US Senate member visited Qualcomm, basically what I can
Yeah.
remember for now. They visited might be like 2 or 3 months back. Senate is something like something you can relate with our legislative assembly and all. Okay, so they visited basically to check that how these projects are going on. Okay, so they guys are very interested. Okay, governments are very interested. Okay, might be like yesterday, if you guys are following, yesterday we were having that IIT Bangalore, that 6 day meeting. So it's something development is going on parallel. Okay, if we ignore the crisis part, if we ignore that the slowness in the market, okay, so whenever that market will grow, okay, we will again see that multiple openings, multiple things. Okay, and that was like, that is kind of uh, might be like next year or maybe like after few months. Okay, at that time if you will start chasing the new things, okay, that was, I think, late for you guys.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you.
so something not only in this one, not only in this domain. Okay, whatever things you are working on, whatever in domain you are working on, okay, just update yourself that this kind of, you can take opportunity for you. Okay, this is kind of you have. So whenever we have multiple opening, whenever the opening good things in the market, you can go and that you can grab the opportunities. Okay, so like last session I was discussing, like now we are discussing that ORAN. Okay, similar thing, just follow the latest trends. Started working on AI RAN. Okay, people started working on AI RAN. AI RAN is AI. Okay, open and so if your guys are with this one, hands-on on this one, understanding on this one, then you can jump to some use cases of AI. Okay, so whenever this will come in the market, okay, you will be ready to take the opportunities. Okay, and again, like now we are discussing something like LT. LT guys, 15 to 17-year old technology. LT is not new. Same way 5G. 5G is 5 to 7-year-old technology. I was working on that these channels, and this call flow might be like I can remember like 5 or 6 year back, 2018 or 16, sorry, 19. Okay, so
Okay.
these are now like, this is not new. Okay, multiple things we have which you can grab, you can start looking into it, that.
But
Okay,
but but but
again,
but
but
one
basic.
thing, in this course,
Go ahead.
for 4G and 5G, we will touch base the things, or we will go very deep, so that we are going
Everything,
towards
everything.
over, and everything will be in the
Yeah,
deep, right?
see,
Yeah,
everything will be. See,
because
my point is, suppose we have 10 topics. Okay, this is my point of view, again my strategy. Okay, I just want to be clear with that. Okay, suppose I have 10 topic. Okay, so that suppose I have like
your
cover
voice
those
is
topic in.
not clear actually. Your voice is breaking.
Hello?
Yeah, your voice is
Now
breaking.
guys, like I have joined through
Yeah,
for
yeah.
everyone.
No, it's okay.
Just okay now. Okay, just 1 second. Okay, now
Yeah, no, it's
better.
better. Yeah, it's
Okay,
okay.
so the point is, whatever, suppose 10 topic I have planned for 2 months. Okay, so my point is, might be possible that I can deliver 8 topic. Okay, but whatever topic I will try to cover, that will be guys in depth only. Okay,
Mhm.
I can ask you guys to cover, please cover no topic you want. That is something like, if I will cover 10 topic, not get that much. Okay, that is something what I can prefer is, might be due to time constraint, or due to maybe like I will try to cover all from my side. Okay, but sometime it happens that suppose I planned in 1 or 2 session, but due to the discussion, due to the our queries, okay, something like that. Okay, might be we are running out of time. Okay, so what I
Okay.
can do, like I can prefer, I can ask you, you can prefer, just take look. I can provide you the that might be like quick introduction of that topic. I can ask you guys, you can prepare. Okay, if required, then we can take this topic. Okay, sometimes some basic things we have. Okay, some comparison we have. Okay, similar way, whatever we will cover, whatever we will discuss. Okay, from my side, I prefer to deep down in that one, to discuss this one in detail. Okay, then maybe we can something we can take on maybe like apart from the class or apart from the discussion. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, anyone else, guys? Any query? Anyone? Anything?
I want to ask you the one operator they just upgrade the massive
Mm-hmm.
MIMO and 46S technology. But why don't
Mm-hmm.
they do the protocol testing? They need to do the protocol testing or not? I do you got my question? One operator,
Massive
uh, one
okay.
operator they upgrade the new technology like massive MIMO and
Mm-hmm.
46X technology. Do this operator need to do protocol testing or not?
No, see. So protocol testing is the area. Okay, I mean suppose you are testing you are learning 5G. Okay, you are learning 5G, you are learning 5G protocol testing. Okay, but when you will do the beamforming, okay, beamforming something that is related to 5G means that we are opting those technology in the 5G, how you are kind of sending the signals. Okay, so in that way 5G we are using beamforming. How we are deploying the beamforming? With the help of massive MIMO. Okay, so in that way those are interrelated only. Okay, it's not like that protocol is something different and that these technologies are something different. Okay, standalone beamforming is nothing to do.
So in I mean in 4G only, the 4G they upgrade to massive MIMO. They need to do the protocol testing or not?
Yes, they require the knowledge. Yeah, they require. Okay,
Yeah, they
something like
require to do the protocol testing or not if they.
they need the knowledge. Okay, they need it so that for their better understanding only. How we are doing, how we are deploying, okay, how we are testing. For that one, definitely they require.
But I see
And
that
it might be
operator
possible.
they sorry, but I see that operator they don't do the protocol testing. They just upgrade massive MIMO and dry test and KPI. After that, they use
No,
dry
see,
test and
so might
KPI.
be, yeah, see, so that is what you are talking about is that is something after deployment.
Yeah, but but before deployment, I don't see they
Okay,
test.
blue eyes.
They not do the protocol testing. I don't know why.
No,
Or
someone was testing. No, it's not like that. Okay, might be you guys are, it might be like someone else doing in the background. You are not interacting with that team. Okay, but before means without testing any device, without testing, without ensuring that that kind of that functionality of that device, we cannot deploy that in the field directly. We have to test. Okay, means that whatever like massive MIMO you are saying might be like you are using that 16 TR or 32 TR. Okay, so in the background someone have to validate the functionality of that, that might be like whatever that setup you are using, whatever equipment you are using. Without doing the testing you cannot deploy any product into the field. Okay, after deployment the KPIs and that routine check and that drive testing will come into the picture.
so I think they
Make sense?
already. Yeah. So I think they already test at the vendor side. I think maybe like that.
Exactly. Yes. See, like see, what I was discussing earlier as well. Okay, so suppose like someone, like suppose the Samsung, for an example, Samsung wants to launch a phone. Okay, maybe like let's take an operator example. Okay, suppose one operator. Okay, I'm taking one example of Indian operator, maybe like Reliance Jio. Okay, Reliance Jio is one of the operator. They want to need support of massive MIMO. Okay, I'm just randomly writing one feature, massive MIMO beamforming, something like that. Okay,
Okay.
so
Okay.
okay, so what we'll do? they need a infra, right? So for Reliance, let's take Samsung. Okay, so what Samsung will do, Samsung will test that feature for the Reliance. What is their requirement? Suppose they need 32 TR, 64 TR, 32 TR, 64 TR. Okay, so they will develop that product. They will develop that product. They will test that product. Okay, so whatever issues they have, suppose they will now in the massive MIMO, they will test that that multi-user MIMO, single user MIMO. Okay, the beam forming. Okay, every functionality they will test, and they will provide that functionality to Reliance Jio now. Okay, what Reliance Jio will do, Reliance Jio will deploy. If they will also try to ensure that these functionalities are working fine. Reliance Jio also will test. Okay, after they are ready, like suppose some software version 10 is fine, working fine. Okay. Now they will deploy that into the field. Now they will monitor the KPIs and all. Okay, so what you are saying is that is something at this step after deployment. Okay, in background, those devices, those are used, whatever devices we have, those are tested manually. Clear?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
And is and very of
Hello.
yeah, yeah, Vijay.
Hi, this is Vijay. Actually, I have one doubt.
Mhm,
I have an experience of 5 years. Okay. So,
mhm,
after completion of this course, what will be the means while attending interview and all? So, my previous
mhm.
experience will use or how the process?
No, see. So the point is, suppose,
See, and
suppose.
one more thing. Sorry,
Mhm.
sorry to
Go ahead,
interrupt you.
go ahead.
One more thing.
Go ahead,
And
go ahead.
one of my friend and he's belongs to different field, so he
Mhm.
also want to join any course for growing in the field. Okay, so I
Okay,
can suggest him what will be the difference between what will be the difference for me and for him.
okay. See, so the point is, suppose anyone having 5 year of experience. Okay, anyone in any domain,
Yeah.
might be in the telecom, might be in the any domain. Okay, so what we will do, we will cover course, we will try to learn in the course. Okay, suppose 4 month might be like, for you it is taking 4 or 5 months to understand everything. Okay, after
Okay.
completion of course means whoever is, suppose I am saying E node B. Okay,
Yeah.
so you guys are aware of E node B, at least aware of the terms, right?
Yes. Yes.
Someone who
Yeah.
is not from this background, maybe like initially they have to put more effort to understand what is happening here. Maybe like when I say
Okay.
UE, you are able to understand what is UE. Okay,
Understood.
means that you
Yes.
have that
Yes.
picture, right?
User.
Now, for you,
Yeah.
let's say two scenario for you. Okay, so after 4 or 5 month of course, you have understanding of protocol. Okay, means
Okay.
whatever like we are doing, how we are testing, setups, tools, scenarios, call flows. Okay, whatever like we have discussed. Okay, now you will appear in the interview. Okay,
Okay.
you are appearing in interview. Okay, so at that time you will not say like this 5 year you were doing some other task. What you
Okay.
will showcase, I was doing the protocol testing. Now the point is,
Okay.
as a interviewer, how I will validate that you are doing in that domain or not. Simply that scenarios, the questions, or whatever I will ask. Okay, if you are the prepared well, okay, if you are prepared
Okay.
well, then that is fine. Okay, that is possible, right? Means if I am
Yeah.
working as a protocol testing engineer, but still suppose I am not aware of these protocols, right? Means that might be possible that I am working on L3. Okay, an interview they
Yes. Yes.
require L1 and L2. Okay, still that is a struggle for me as well. Same way, if you are showing that I am working in this domain, because in that background sometime like you guys have that misunderstanding, or that sometime like that fear, like what about the background verification. Okay, so background
Okay.
verification is something where they just will check whether you are working in that company or not. Okay, it's not about
Okay.
profile. what type of work you are doing.
Okay.
Okay, work and
Okay.
all those things you have to prove in the interview.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so if anyone working in the telecom domain, that is your journey will be easy, because suppose someone working in the Nokia, okay, someone
Okay.
working in the Ericsson, someone working in the Geo, okay, so
Okay.
somewhere interview, that is kind of by default interviewer will kind of aware of this company. Okay, so you don't have to prove more that I am working in this domain. That is something about that your understanding or that your concept is enough to prove your experience. That's it. Okay, might be another case
Okay.
if someone was working in some kind of that non-telecom
Non-IT.
company. Okay,
Yes.
then you may
Mm.
put some more effort. That's it. Okay, it's not like that, like that is impossible. Okay, then you have to put some more effort. That's it. Means that your journey will be easy if you are working in these companies.
Okay. And how about that package growth?
Okay, so package growth, good question. Okay, so guys, package wise, whatever your experience, okay, into 2 or 2.5, that is what you can expect easily. Okay, experience into 2 and 2.5, that is you can expect. Okay, means someone was asking like about Qualcomm and all. Okay, here we have another story. Even fresher are getting 15 to
Yeah.
20
Nowadays
lakh
in market they're getting package was uh, very good packages. So that's
Mhm.
what I asked.
No, getting.
That's
It's not like that.
yeah.
See. Leave that market on that part. Okay. So 15 or 20 lakh packages kind of very common for these companies, the leading companies.
Yeah.
Okay, that is, it's not like that, like that is something new or that is something struggle for them.
Okay.
Okay, that is kind of common practice. Okay, maybe like that 15 and 20 is base package, 2 3 lakh like kind of that your joining bonus, or maybe like 15 to 20 lakh again the stocks, if you guys are aware of RSU concept. Okay, restricted stock units. Okay, so that
Okay.
is
Okay.
something in that combination of this 40 to 45 lakh something. Okay, maybe you can the can direct. So you can check this on the different sites. You can check on different, maybe like ambition box or Glassdoor. Okay, just check it. Okay, so this will give you more understanding. Okay, so in the,
Okay.
let me clear this one. If you able to clear the interview of these companies that are
Mm.
companies, okay, so they are not concerned about the packages. Okay, they will
Okay.
provide just their number, no negotiation. Okay, might be possible that like you are for now are working on 8 LPA, okay, and you have maybe like 5 to 6 years of experience, okay, and they are hiring for senior engineer. Okay, so their senior engineer bracket is starting from 18 to like kind
Okay.
of 26. Senior engineer is 5 to 6 year of experience. Okay, so they will provide you somewhere here. They cannot provide you like 11 LPA. Okay, it's not like that.
Okay. Then.
Okay, so
Thank you. Yeah.
it's there. Yeah, anyone else, guys? Any query? Anyone?
Yeah, Rahul,
Mhm.
can you tell me about your part on placement
Mhm.
assistant?
Means that, means that
Or how can you support
individually me or that that my RF tech solution, or you are asking individually my part?
individually your part?
Means that
If
technical part, right?
I will take your course and after the completion of
Okay, that
this,
RF tech solution part, basically you're asking, right? Means here
yes,
in what
yes.
exactly we are. Okay, see the 2 3 point we have. Okay, again, let me clear this one. Interview is something I can refer you. Okay, I can provide you the questions. Okay, but interview is something which you have to fight. First thing. Now, our role. Okay, first thing is the technical part, which we will cover in the course. Okay, second thing is sample questions. which we can provide. Means this company is asking this type of questions, or that company is asking that type of questions. Okay, some pre-questions we have, which we have kind of drafted based on our past experience. Okay, this we can provide you. Demo interview and CV and or the profile preparation. Okay, so these all things, if you are ready with this all things, then what we will do, we will in based on our reference.
Yes.
You are done
Sometimes your
with this part,
voice is breaking.
then yeah,
Yeah,
miss that I joined that, yeah that yeah miss that network issue, like that I joined due to that power cut. So hello, then you are able to hear me?
yeah. It's clear.
Arvind? So see these in these areas, in this area means we will provide you the reference. Okay, once you are satisfying these conditions, okay, then only further we will go for, okay, referral, then interview process basically. Okay, so we are not committing anything, like sometime we are able to provide you help in that first round or second round as well, but that is not that commitment, right? So we cannot commit. Like sometime it happens that someone known or someone our past student, they are working in this domain and they are taking some interview. Okay, at that time, like
No, no.
10-20% we can help
That
you,
is some
but
different thing.
otherwise
Yeah.
uh,
Okay.
otherwise you have to prepare. Okay, again, that is
There
something
is
person to person.
yeah, any limitation if I will appear in 5 to 10 interview and maybe
No,
that interview
no,
will
no,
not clear.
no,
Yeah, you
nothing,
just refer
nothing,
the job.
nothing. Okay,
Okay.
it's something like that. Yeah, yes. But first thing is,
Yeah.
if you are committed enough, okay, if you are committed enough, then definitely like initially 2-3 interview, you will be able to crack your job.
Yeah.
Okay, that is what I can commit you. Okay, so
Yeah.
but yeah, see, sometime let me give you one more example. Like
Yeah.
2 year back, we were having some batch with LT only. Okay, so
Okay.
at that time, now suppose those students preparing for 5G, now still we are supporting them. It's not like that, like now you like after completion of course, or we have some timeline that only 1 month we will support you or 2 month we will support you. Okay, let's understand in that way. Suppose we are came across 5 or 10 opening. Okay, so
Okay.
we have our group, so we will share those 5 or 10 opening with all of you guys. Whoever is prepared one, take demo interview. You are prepared, we will share your CV. Okay, here we don't have any filter like you are like 2 batches ago, 3 batches ago, or 1 year ago. Okay, if you are prepared one, if you are kind of ready for that opportunity, then definitely we are happy to support you at any given
So,
point of time. 1 year, two
okay.
year, 5 year later.
So
Okay,
we direct share my CV to the recruiter, not to you.
both thing possible. Okay, sometime our
Yeah.
HR will share your profile. Okay, sometime we
Yes.
can directly ask you just give that in the subject our reference and share your profile with that HR. Okay, and both thing, like that is scenario to scenario.
Okay. Okay. And if I will lacking somewhere, then I will reach
Definitely
to
we'll
you
give
or
support.
your team anytime.
Ah, anytime. Yeah, we are getting like 2 year back students now. Still we are getting ping. Okay, so it's not like that. It is something like after course, it is something between you and me. So if you are like
And
interested in anything, if you are learning anything in the better way, definitely I will support you.
okay, is there any group to discuss the past thing? Yeah, all your student will there to discuss any topic, any new technology come to picture. Are you providing anything like that? WhatsApp group or something, Teams, anything? Rahul, are you getting me? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Rahul, are you getting me?
Yes, yes. Now got power. So again, Wi-Fi disconnected. Yeah, yeah. Go ahead.
Oh, okay, I am asking some forum group and or WhatsApp group where
Yes, we have.
guys will interact with each other.
Yes. So initially in the course session, you will have one group, which is kind of your session is that this one group, kind of that students group based on the batches. Okay. After that, once you complete your batch or that 4 year month of duration, then we will transfer you in that the big forum where we have that all our students.
Okay. What will be the schedule of batch? Any weekend or regular?
Both we have. So based on your kind of preference, but like you can reach out to this number. Okay. You can reach out
Yeah.
to this number for anybody.
And what
Okay.
about the recordings? Do you providing any recordings for the
Yes,
sessions?
recording. Yes, recording the documents that will be available. Okay, that we will provide
Okay.
for every session.
Still, is there
And
any duration?
Duration for what?
Means for recording any time period after that it will
Yeah, means
it will
that maybe like initially that maybe like Arav, are you there? You can comment, but like 1 year means that is what I am aware.
okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
but see that is something now you are asking like once you are complete the course or maybe like after 1 2 month if you are just depending on the recording only means that later point of time you lose interest. That is kind of the reality. Okay, that is something you can take that like whether the recording is there or not, recording will be there. Okay, but you lose interest. That is for sure.
Okay.
Means after a few months you will lose interest. That is something like we can say like for your satisfaction only. That's it.
Okay.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
we encourage you
Depends
just
on
try to
your
prepare and the running time only. Yeah, Arvind, go ahead.
yeah. Any future technology will come in picture, and after that you will provide some document related to that after
Yes, if you
batch.
need, yes, definitely. After batches also, like it happens, yeah. Book or documentation, yes, we will be able to provide you.
Okay. Okay. Could you describe here the fee structure of course?
Maybe like for that
Yeah,
one you can,
hi Rahul, I'm
yeah,
there.
yeah. Mm.
So guys, we are charging for Indian rupees 36,000, and for out of the country student, we are charging 500 USD. The course duration will be 4 months, and you can say something 4.5 months, because 10 to 15 hour we are providing the hands-on for the multiple tools. So for first 10 candidate already registration done for this weekend batch. For next 10 candidate, we are offering 3,000 discount. Rest after completion of next 10 candidate, fee will be remain 36,000. You can pay in easy installment. All payment option we have available: credit card, UPI, and blah blah. Okay, so those who are interested, you can get registration. Take the benefit of 3,000. Okay, the session will be on weekend morning 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Saturday and Sunday. Recorded session will provide, but recorded don't depend on recording, because live session is must interactive. If you have any doubt, you can ask instantly. Okay, so all document, interview question and all will provide. Either you can utilize 10 to 15 hour in between the course completion, between the course, or after the completion as well. So there is no limitation. When you feel you are expert of one technology, you can take the tool and validate whole the call flows. We are the only one those are offering hands-on. Otherwise, all are providing theory classes, either in lower price or higher price. So if you are still interested to make career into this domain, you are welcome. You can join ATS and get hands-on learning. Thanks to all. Any question you can ask.
Good morning. Mine is a request. I am Ali Mohammed Alfa from Nigeria. I am requesting for maybe a PDF material of these lectures or the background we need to have, because I'm a fresher in the domain. Even though I studied electrical electronics engineering, but I'm a fresher in telecoms. So please, I would like to have the PDF of the material. And secondly, what's the plan for some of us that are from a distance? On the hands-on, I am from Nigeria, so I think I want to know, like, how will I have the hands-on experience of the program? Thank you.
Through remotely you can log in our system.
Remotely means any desk and these tools will be there. Okay, so you can remotely access the tool and you can do your hands-on.
Arab, yeah, you will provide the hands-on tools.
Yes,
Yes,
we'll
yes,
provide hands-on on tool.
We can access directly.
yes, exactly.
You can access our desktop directly.
Okay,
You
yeah.
have to inform our team. Our team will be available based on your availability,
Okay.
and you can take the benefit. We have multiple tools. We are working in this domain. We
Yeah,
have
I
field
understand.
engineers deployed in India, out of India as well. So you have opportunity to learn better things.
Yeah. As I am working in operation in telecom domain, I
Okay,
have 5 6 years of experience. I am working packet core.
packet core.
Yeah. My previous
Okay,
company was Nokia, and currently I am in Infinite.
okay, infinite computer solutions. Yeah.
Yes. So I just saw your course and interested you in testing profile.
Okay.
Yeah.
So guys, you can take a screenshot of this number, okay, and you can reach out to our team, okay, for any further query or any other further concern.
Okay, Sugan will share all the detail into WhatsApp group. Okay, you can get registration accordingly. Thanks to all for joining us. Thanks Rahul, Deepak and all. Thank you very much.
Thank you
Thanks
guys.
for
Thank you team for arranging this.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, team. Thank you.